Well, all I can do is hope that you can hear it. It's a cuckoo bird. They've been gone for months. Yeah, they've been gone for months. And there's two of them. You can't hear two of them because only one's speaking right now. But they're calling each other. The cuckoo bird, you can put a female and a male in a cage. But when it comes nighttime, they know no existence of the other. It's like they turn their back to each other. Really strange bird. But as soon as the light of the sun starts coming, then they want to know each other. That's what's happening. They're calling each other. And this is Kokilavan, where Krishna would make sounds like a cuckoo bird. And Radharani would understand it was Krishna, not a cuckoo bird. And he was calling her. Of course, he was calling at night, or maybe early in the morning. Perhaps early in the morning. They do make noise all day long, but not as much as they're doing right now. I'm just hoping I caught some of it. Kokilavan is near Radharani's mother-in-law's place. Krishna would call her out. Yeah. He would know the language of he knew the language of all the animals. Come on, little cuckoo bird, make some noise. He probably knows I opened my window. He was just right in the tree, right in front of the ashram. Pretty faint, even for myself. I hope you can hear it. No, it's so beautiful. I could also hear at night, or start hearing again. There used to be always the peacocks around. But the monkeys, they kill the peacocks. If they get a chance, they'll kill a peacock. Yeah. So yeah. Some nights you can hear the peacocks. Well, not nighttime. It's going to become morning time. And they're ready to fly down. At a certain time, before the sun rises, they know it's time to get up. And they start making noise. And then, if perhaps you're around in Kartik, then when a peacock flies down from his tree in that morning time, it's very auspicious to see him. To see a mongoose, or a mongoose to actually cross in front of you, is very auspicious. To see a peacock fly down, because it was really beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, he's making a little noise still. Okay, I'll leave it at that. Looks like they flew to another tree. One's got a low tone voice, and the other one's got a high tone voice. Okay, Haribo, 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 Haribo.